VP Constantino Chiwenga, we are seeing some of the people they are attacking him on social media. Bangwachi some allegations of corruption. Bangwachi Bangwa innovated he must resign. Bangwa charged VP Constantino Chiwenga, we are waiting for you. The same action you took in 2017, now it is imminent. Bangwa inai, ever long awaited. Tamirira action in Zimbabwe. Bangwa inai just pachina with VP Constantino Chiwenga is a principled leader. Bangwa inationa with people that advocating for him as they are looking for position. Apana Moon are credible anaona kuti he can take the arms and lead Zimbabwe. But VP Constantino Chiwenga has demonstrated that Iowa is the only man Bangwa ine who can rescue Zimbabweans. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipita pahendo yadi 2030 onobudanyira GT. VP Chiwenga is a principal leader. It has blown more than 10 billion funds meat for hospitals, schools, road, and food for all people on nothing but internal plots to undermine and decampaign his own VP. Is this leadership? Doma developments are kuda pangwa ino kurikuno kwa kuti Zvigananda has spent thousands millions attacking VP Constantino Chiwenga and trying to outshine him. And on top of that, this constitutional amendment bill in motion, it was also an architecture, a good blocker. The same individual, VP Constantino Chiwenga, was seen to was supposed to assume power, was supposed to succeed the president in 2028 because of their gentleman's agreement. Yavakasaindirana, yavakadiscussa nokuwirirana in 2017 that VP Constantino Chiwenga is going to lead Zimbabwe after the 2 terms. But pangwa ine tiona maplans atichichinja everything zviri kuitirwa kuti zvikwanise kubloka VP Constantino Chiwenga's presidency. In the comment section medu zafungura enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. VP Constantino Chiwenga staying as the only man standing against corruption. In the comment section medu zafungura enyu, so subscribe or like, continue to turn the bell icon.